Welcome to Erika's Origami Room. Today we're going to be making this beautiful flower box. Let's get started. Okay, all you need is a sheet of square paper. I'm using 15 centimeter square paper. And let's start with the color side up. And then fold the paper in half diagonally. Make the fold nice and sharp, open it up, turn it, and repeat. Turn the paper and this time fold the paper in half from bottom edge to the top edge. So rectangle like this. Line up the edges, make the fold nice and sharp. Unfold, turn it, and repeat. Great! Now, let's flip the paper over. And now we are going to fold all the four corners into the center point. Let's start with the bottom point. Fold this up to the center. Make the fold, turn it, and let's repeat the same thing for the other three corners. Okay, now we are going to collapse this model. So let's pinch each corner a little bit. It makes the next step a little bit easier. Then, okay, you pinch the corners and just push it to the middle. And that's how you collapse this model into smaller triangle. Okay, cool. So it looks like this, So this side at the bottom, and let's fold both points up to the top along this center crease. Line up the edges so there's no gap in between. Okay, great. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now we are going to open up these flaps. So let's start with the right side. Take it up. And there is a pocket here. So poke your finger from the bottom. Make your way to the top. And gently press it down. So this point will sit bottom center. Like this. So you have smaller square now, and make the fold. Okay, great. Now we're gonna repeat the same thing for the other three corners. One, and flip the model over. Fold both corners up press it down. Second time is a bit easier. Okay, great. Now it looks like this, exactly the same on each side. And now we are going to fold. Yeah, let's start with the right corner, this small square. And this is like paper crane. Fold both edges into center crease. And make the fold nice and sharp. It's gonna make the next step a little bit easier. So okay, sharp crease. Now we're gonna unfold. Just take one page, okay? One page and bring it up. Like this. You can poke your finger into this corner to open this flap up. And close the flap from the bottom. Make your way all the way up. Okay, so it looks like this. Yeah, just like paper crane. Okay, let's repeat. It's a bit tricky as folds are very thick. Then let's flip this over and repeat. Okay, well done. Now we are going to fold this top corner down and poke your finger into this flap, open this up like this and take this corner back up again. So now it looks like this. Okay, let's repeat. Fold this down, open this up and take it back up and make the fold on the side. Great. And the same thing on the other side. Okay, You're doing great job. Now we are almost there. So now we got to this point. Let's flip the page. Take one page from the right to left, and then on the other side, left to right. Okay, so it looks like this, exactly the same. Now let's fold bottom edge up, and this edge will sit on the top edge. I mean, people wants to go this way, as there is a crease like this. Then we fold the bottom point up. How much, right? And this is as far as you can go, so you will know. And fold, make the fold. It looks like a hat. And repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, you remember the steps. Fold the bottom edge up. Fold the bottom edge up. And fold the bottom point upward. And this point will sit on the center crease. Okay, great. Now let's flip the page once again. Take one page from the right to left, left to right on the other side. So it looks like this. So let's fold the bottom point up. And flip this over, bottom point up. Okay, all four corners the same way. We fold it. Fantastic! Great job! Now it's the fun part. Look at the bottom, and you can pull this flap to the side. Let's open this up like this. Now all of a sudden it's a box, and let's gently open up the petal. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. Congratulations. We made it. So we've completed beautiful origami flower box. This is the bottom. What do you think? You can just, hang it as an ornament, or of course you can put something small inside. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.